Hello friends, I, Dhairya Bhatia, welcome you to my YouTube channel Maths DNA from Origin to Infinity. Many students requested me to give them some important reference books for preparation of different competitive exams. So this video is dedicated for important reference books on CSI NET JRF, SET, GATE, NBHM, NBHM PhD, IIT JAM and any other MSc entrance exams. In this video, we will discuss about which books are important for the preparation of particular topic and from that book which subtopic should be prepared. Let us begin. The first topic that comes to any paper is reasoning and general aptitude. And for this, there is only one book that I refer, that is R.S. Agrawal. This book is so far the best book that I have seen for preparation of reasoning and general aptitude. Once you go through this book, you are able to solve each and every question asked in any competitive exam based on reasoning and general aptitude. Moving on, the topic that comes first to any paper is real analysis. The books and the subtopics are as follows. The first book that to be referred is Introduction to Real Analysis by Robert G. Bartley and Donald R. Shepard, the third edition. From this book, you can cover topics such as elementary set theory, countable and uncountable sets, real number system, supremum, infimum, sequences and series, convergence, limit supremum, and limit infimum. The next important book is Principle of Real Analysis by S.C. Malik. This book is very important for topics such as Bolzano-Weierstrass theorem, Henny-Borel theorem, continuity, uniform continuity, differentiability, and mean value theorem. The other book that is very important is Functional Analysis by Walter Rudin. In this book, the topics are sequences and series of functions, uniform convergence, Riemann sums and Riemann integrals, and also improper integrals. The fourth book is A Basic Course in Real Analysis by Ajit Kumar and S. Kumar Sen. This book covers subtopics such as monotonic functions, types of discontinuities, functions of bounded variation, Lebesgue measures, and Lebesgue integrals. And you can practice more questions in Real Analysis by H.L. Rudin. The Rudin is also giving some concepts that are very important are such as functions of several variables, directional derivatives, partial derivatives, derivative as linear transformation, and metric space, compactness, connectedness, and so on. So these are the reference books for real analysis. The next topic is linear algebra. For linear algebra, the first book is Linear Algebra by Hoffman and Kunze, second edition. From this book, you can cover topics such as vector space, subspace, linear dependence, basis, dimensions, algebra of linear transformations, and so on. The second book is Linear Algebra by A. Ramchandra Rao and P. Bhimshankaram. This book covers topics such as algebra of matrices, rank and determinant of matrices, linear equations, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, and Cayley-Hamilton theorem. The third book is Linear Algebra by Lipschitz and Lipson. In this book, you can find topics such as matrix representation of linear transformation, change of basis, canonical forms, diagonal forms, triangular forms, and Jordan forms, which are very important for any competitive exam in linear algebra. The fourth book is Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Erwin Kerinze. In this book, you can find inner product space, orthonormal basis, quadratic forms, reduction and classification of quadratic forms. And for practice, you can refer Scum's Outline Mathematica, second edition. So these are the important books of linear algebra and the subtopics are already told to you. Moving on, the third topic comes is complex analysis. In complex analysis, the important books that I found are first, Complex Variable and Applications by Arvid Churchill. This book covers mostly each and every topic, but still, in particular, you can find algebra of complex numbers, the complex plane, polynomials, power series, transcendental functions such as exponential, trigonometric, and hyperbolic functions in this book, and also analytic functions and Cauchy-Riemann equation. The second book is Functions of One Complex Variable by John B. Conway. This book covers very important topics such as contour integral, Cauchy's theorem, Cauchy's integral formula, Liebowitz theorem, maximum modulus principle, Squart's lemma, and open mapping theorem. For further topics, you can also refer Complex Variables with Applications by Ponnuswamy, and in this book you can find a very good explanation on Taylor series, Lorentz series, calculus of residues, conformal mapping, and Mobius transformations. And also you can practice more questions on complex variables by Scumm's outline. So these are the important books for complex analysis. The next topic then comes is abstract algebra, or you can say modern algebra. For modern algebra, the first book that to be referred is Contemporary Abstract Algebra by Joseph Gallian. This book covers some crucial topics such as permutations, combinations, pigeonhole principle, inclusion and exclusion of principles, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, divisibility, congruence, Chinese remainder theorem, groups, subgroups, and normal subgroups and quotient groups. Also, abstract algebra by Dimitri Fouté. This book has very important properties and topics such as rings, ideals, prime and maximum ideals, quotient ring, unique factorization domain, principal ideal domain, and Euclidean domain. And also the third book, that is Basic Abstract Algebra by P.B. Bhattacharya. In this book, you can find some frequently asked questions and topics, that is polynomial ring, irreducibility criteria, finite fields, finite extensions, and field extensions. And for practice, you can refer Scumm's outline. And for number theory, you can refer Elementary Number Theory by David Burton. Each and every question that is asked on number theory is from this book of David M. Burton. So these are the important books for abstract algebra. The next topic that comes is topology. For topology, there are few books such as Topology by Monkers, Introduction to Topology of Modern Analysis by Simmons, a course in point set topology by J.B. Conway, and Topology of Metric Space by S. Kumar Singh, and a basic topology by M.A. Armstrong. Each and every book is equally well designed, and you can get each and every topic from each of these books. The next topic that is very important is numerical analysis. For numerical analysis, I would recommend books as Numerical Methods by S.R.K. Iyengar and R.K. Jain. This book covers topics such as numerical solutions of algebraic equations, methods of iteration, Newton-Raphson method, rate of convergence, solution of system of linear algebraic equations using Gauss-Seidel, Gauss elimination, and so on. Also, you can refer Numerical Methods, Problems and Solutions by S.R.K. Iyengar and R.K. Jain and M.K. Jain for questions on finite differences, Lagrange, Hermite, spinal interpolations, numerical differentiation, numerical integration, and numerical solutions of ODEs using Picard's Euler's, modified Euler's, and Runge-Kutté method. These two books cover each and every question asked in any competitive exam on numerical analysis. Moving on, we have Calculus of Variation and Linear Integral Equation. These two are very small topics, but they are important because each year at least two questions are asked from each of the topic. So you must not take a risk to miss them. The first book important for Calculus of Variation is Scumm's Outline for Calculus of Variation, and this book covers mostly problems based on variation of functional Euler's-Lagrange equation, necessary and sufficient condition for extrema, and the most important is Euler's-Lagrange equation, as I said earlier. For integral equations, you can follow the book Integral Equations and Boundary Value Problem by M.D. Raisingania, and this book covers linear integral equations of the first and the second kind of Radon and Volterra type, solutions of separable kernels, and characteristic number and eigenfunctions, and the most important, resolvent kernel. Each year, at least a question is asked on the resolvent kernel. Moving on, we have ordinary differential equation. Now, ordinary differential equation, there is only one book that is best so far, is Ordinary Differential Equations by Dr. M.D. Raisingania. This book covers each and every topic of ODE, that is existence and uniqueness, then initial value problems, then general theory of homogeneous and non-homogeneous linear ODEs, then variation parameters, and the two most important topics, Sturm-Liouville boundary value problem and Green's function. For PDE, there is also a same book, that is Partial Differential Equation by Dr. M.D. Raisingania. In this book, you can find each and every topic and each and every question of any competitive exam Also, the topics that are very important in these books are Lagrange and Charpit method for solving first order PDE, Cauchy's problem for solving PDEs, and then classification of second order of PDE, that is elliptic, hyperbolic, or you can say parabolic. Also, the general solutions of higher order PDE and heat and wave equations. And the last topic, that is statistics. Very few questions, or you can say, are asked in this topic because mostly many of the students have prepared pure mathematics, but still those who are preparing the applied portion can refer books as Fundamental of Mathematical Statistics by S.C. Gupta and V.K. Kapoor. The next book that is referred is Scumm's Outline for Statistics. This covers each and every topic, and for further you can also refer Scumm's Probability, and you can also refer Operation Research by J.K. Sharma, which covers linear programming problem, simplex method, duality, graphical problems, Markov chains, queuing theories, and so on. So these were the reference books and the topics that they cover and the subtopics you should prepare for. And we have also introduced Improve Yourself with Us. In this, we have introduced 6 types of papers, series, and questions. The first is 300 important questions with detailed solutions. The second, important papers for CSIR NET. There are 5 papers will be provided in the improvement for you. The third is demo improvement paper. You can practice one paper that is for free. The fourth, improvement series with solutions 1 on linear algebra, real analysis, and complex analysis. The fifth is improvement series with solutions 2, that is on real analysis, complex analysis, and abstract algebra. And there is also a demo improvement series available. You can find the registration link for them below in the description box. And be a member of our social club and check out more than 150 videos on our YouTube channel, and you can get a complete study material with some reference books on our Telegram channel also.